Open it, man.
Yeah. Get it, man. Get at it.
Woo! Get it, Tuski. What is it?
What is it?
Go get a knife. A butter knife.
What is it, man?
Get it, man.
Ooh!
Get it. Keep going. Oh, man, you got some more cool jeans.
Cool jeans.
That's some stuff. I like those.
It's a lot of Ivy.
Hmm?
Like your present.
Ivy must have been good. Here you got some presents from Santa Claus.
This is to
Oh, I got a gift.
Ooh, yes.
And it's from 2 and 5K.
Tuski, did you get it yet?
Here, 2.
Oh, and I got Spider-Man.
Here.
Why are you so short?
Ah!
Oh!
Oh, that's cool. That's what's up. What is it?
It's, what is it?
Oh, gosh.
It says Groom and Go.
Tuski.
Mirror, clay, razor, bath, foam, shampoo, and hair gel.
Shampoo.
Shampoo and hair gel.
Yes. You got you a
Diamond sitting where it is.
Spider-Man kit, man. Come on. Get it up.
Oh.
There you go, man.
2 angels.
Tear it off. Yeah, make sure you don't open it.
Oh, here's that. Another one of that. Ah!
Turn it over, man. Look.
Yes.
Wow.
Whoa, so handy mandy.
You got a jackhammer.
So look, man. Look,
Try
look at the picture.
You got some tape stuff. Look at
Look at that.
Woo!
Hair.
Pull the handle, man. Oh my goodness. He's trying to get it out of there. Oh man.